check, it's 2:30 in the morning. I'm done taking a bath and nagayos na rin ako ng hair, so mag-makeup na lang ako. Bye! By the way guys, we're leaving at 3 a.m. We're already here sa airport. Done na kami sa check-in ng luggage tsaka immigration. Di na ako nakapag-vid kanina kasi alam nyo na minadali ako. Ngayon na lang ako nag-video. And ngayon lang ako magta-travel nang wala si mama. So, bye. Update ko kayo later. So, hi guys. Right now, I'm here sa CR. I don't know if you can hear me. Naiwan ko yung wallet ko. So, nandun yung mga cards and everything. Good job. Yun lang. Hay nako. Guys, tignan niyo yung mga airplane ah. I'll show you. Look guys. Guys, we're here na sa boarding gate namin. Paiba-iba sila nung kanina 1:05, tas naging 1:03, tas ngayon naging 1:04. Departure time 8:35. So waiting kami. Malapit na ang aming boarding time. And nilalamig ako. Wala akong dalang jacket. I forgot to bring jacket. Tapos, naiwan ko rin yung wallet ko. We're going to the plane, guys.
Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this.
Hi everyone, we just are here in Macau. Liam, sabi mo hi. Nasa bus na kami and papunta na kami dun sa pagsistayan natin. Look at the car, guys. Wow. Anong niluluto mo, oh?
Adobo. Paksiw.
Paksiw.
Adobo.
Bakit nalalamunan ko, guys? Time check, it's 9:34 and maglalakad kami. You know the bili ako ng pansit canton. Saan?
Meron doon noodles.
Wala namang
Pancit canton.
Oh, wala, di ba?
Meron
Oy, yan lang.
Indomie.
Gusto mo, kumakain ka nito? Ito na lang, walang maanghang. Hawakan mo. Wala yung binibili natin sa Singapore eh. Guys, may king crab, look. Wow. What if steam kita? Steam kita, ikaw din. Oh no, what's that?
I dare you touch that.
Tayo ay nasa Ocean Park. Ocean Park tayo, guys. Labulog na yung isa niyang eyes. Hello! Good morning, guys. I'm cooking. Hi everyone! Right now, pupunta kami sa I don't know kung saan, pero here's my fit. Guys, ang lamig. Tapos yung time dito, 12:00 ng tanghali. What more pa mamayang gabi? Grabe yung lamig niya, guys. Akala ko mainit kasi kanina dun sa hotel, ang init. Yung pala, di na kami naka-aircon tapos nakasara yung mga window. So yun, guys. I'll see you later. Bye! We're now here at Lisboa. Where are we going? What's that? Guys, nasa Binondo ako. Hi guys, we're going to eat.
这个20，
I don't know where.
高，给他啦。
Guys, mag-free titigyan tayo ng free taste. Excuse.
分兩個隊俾你，仲有一個隊裝晒，分兩個隊。
Sorry.
係。好，俾呢個姐姐嚟嘅。拿兩斤要打折88折，拿，你不拿等一下就沒了。
那地方不记了，
现在110
还 OK。行啊，哎，有自己换算汇率的老板，哎，小心，哎，小心看啊
Thank you.
，Thank you。
Wow, puro balangga. Sarap. So sarap.
对啦，走他啦，走他啦，扫把腰，扫码毛啦。
So good. Guys, may jerky ulit. Kumuha kami ng jerky.
Pinoy po.
Thank you.
Ako na pong bahala.
Nandito na si Boss Toyo. Dami ko ni sir. Ito pa pinaka...
Chicken. Ang init. Oh. Init. Yummy. Is it nice? Guys, look at the Kodak store. Look at us. Where's the Guys, pagod na ako. Ang daming tao. matcha ice cream mo, Liam mo. Say hi to my vlog. O kuya, mag-hi ka muna.
Yo, what's up?
Guys, dyan kayo bumili.
Bubusugin ko kayo.
Bubusugin kayo ni Kuya, Anli yan.
3 days pa lang. At isang sheet. At hindi bumili, no problem.
Ito yung name niya, guys. Punta kayo dito kay ating pretty maganda.
Your name?
Awi.
Awi.
Thank you!
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank you! Hi guys, good morning. We're going to Panda Park. We're gonna go see the panda. Oh my God! Saan? Oh, he says, remember to stay quiet. We remember to stay quiet if you want to see these lovely animals. There, ayun, ganso, sa taas. Yun. Ang cute.
Nasa yung panda. Iikot ulit yan. Isa pa nga, isa pa nga.
Kangkang. What's that for? Grabe, ang taas niya na. Hi guys. Wow, ang ganda. Parang mas maganda po doon. Guys, ito po. So, hi guys, we're going home na. Ang init na. It's not giving na. So, ano lang to, siguro mga 5 minutes away lang dun sa hotel. And, after that, mag-aayos na ako and then pupunta na kami sa
Gala.
gala. Okay, bye! Hi, everyone. We're now going to I don't know. Sumusunod lang ako sa kanila kung saan kami pupunta. So, I'm gonna update you guys later. Bye! So guys, we're here at Parisian. Look. And then, ayun yung Londoners there. Ito yung famous here, di ba? Guys, look at our view. Tcharam! And then here's the other view. Whoa!
Pasay, Venetian, diretso.
Here at... What do you call this?
This is the going to Venetian, this is the Parisian.
We're going to Venetian.
We're going to Venetian.
Wow, so nice. Hi everyone, I'm currently here in Charles and Keith and wala akong magkitang magandang wallet. No, here. Ito guys, so. Pero I think hindi kasya yung peso here. I don't know kung mas mura siya compare sa PH. But I don't think if kakasya ang... Hi! Hi guys, we're here at... I don't know.
Venison,
Look,
Macau.
look.
We're at Venison, Macau. With isda.
What? So tired guys. Grabe yung level ng pagod ko. So, ayan na ang mga bilihan ng food. So guys, meron kaming nakitang photo booth. Tapos yung payment niya is through QR lang. Pero lahat ng hindi gumagana yung QR sa amin sa usahan. Hindi namin na-try. Ayaw gumana ng QR.
Ramen. Ramen.
Hi! Got the goods, guys. Kapagurge. Oh, hi everyone, we're gonna buy pasalubongs like chocolate and everything. Uy! So guys, we're going home na. And nagsuot na ako ng sweater. Here. Like this. This is super duper lamig. Bye guys. See you later when I get home. Bye. Puno. Hi everyone, we're on the way to Hong Kong and nasa taas kami ng second floor ng bus. So, magme-makeup pa lang ako here. Kasi, ang aga namin magising and hindi kaya ng time ko makapag-makeup pa sa hotel. So, dito na lang ako magme-makeup since 45 minutes yung biyahe. Bye guys! See you later!
Nakaturing di ba isa?
Hi guys! We're here at Disneyland. They said, happiest place on earth daw to. Pag ako hindi sumaya, sabi ko sa'yo. So, ayan guys. Look! Look! Tcharan! Hi!
Hi, hello. 2 people?
Yeah.
Free. 2. 2. Little. Thank you.
Where can I get the pin for yeah, first time. No. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi everyone, we're finding the passport stamp. Hindi namin makita. Feeling ko dun sa kabila. Ay, wala rin. Hi guys, sasakay kami here.
Number 4, please.
Thank you. So hi guys, we're gonna ride na.
For a
We're
safe
gonna ride na
flight,
guys.
watch your step as you board the flying saucers. Then remain
So
seated with
yeah.
your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms,
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Bibi. Wala mama. Bilis. Punta sa up. Okay guys, mag-ano kami. 18, 20 ba? Yeah. Yan na. Sana perfect. Na kami guys! Hi everyone, we're going back na to Macau. Di na ako nakapag-update kanina sa mga ganap namin kasi sobrang rush kami. Sobrang dami namin ang ginawa kanina. Though nag-picture lang, charot. Pero yun, we're on our way back to Macau na. And this is our last day. So we're gonna go home na later at 8 p.m. So ayun lang, see you later. Bye! Guys, we're here na sa Philippines. Kaka-arrive lang namin. Guys, nakuha na namin yung luggage namin. Lalabas na kami. May kakanta guys ng ano. I just wanna love you forever. Huh? Ayun guys. Bye-bye na. Hindi na ako mag-vlog dito. Kasi marami ng judger dito. Thank you for watching my vlog. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!